Hello and welcome to the Applicant Experience Day. Now my name is Carol Ekinsmyth and I'm the Associate Head Students for the school. I'm a human geographer. My main interests are economic and social geography, and during your time here in Portsmouth, if you come to Portsmouth, I'll be teaching you about cities, about the inequalities between people, and about the quality of the environment and the ways in which that has an effect on people's well-being. Inequality is one of the biggest issues that face us at this time, and we happen to be located in a big city, so it's a fantastic laboratory to study human geography in. We study the processes that lead to this kind of sifting and sorting, and the differences that exist between people in their well-being and their life chances. BIOPHILIA is a term that we talk about quite a lot recently in geography and beyond, and the COVID crisis has shown us how important it is to have access to open green space. We have several parks in the city, and of course we have the seafront and the common, but those are dotted around in different ways. And that's one of the things that we can think about. We can think about people's well-being and their accessibility to those kinds of services. Another issue that we've got at the moment, and again exacerbated by the COVID crisis of the last few months, is the decline of our city centres. Now Portsmouth is unusual because we've actually got three main retail areas. We have Commercial Road, which is the traditional city centre. We've also got Palmerston Road down in Southsea. But then perhaps more unusually, we've got Gunwharf Quays, which is a sort of waterfront redevelopment. One thing's for sure, a town centre creates a core for community and a core for sense of place. And all of these things are massively important to our quality of life and to human geographers, and those are the sorts of things you'll study at Portsmouth. So now I'm going to introduce you to my colleague Dr. Caroline Day, who's going to talk to you about more global and international issues that we engage with on the BA Human Geography course at Portsmouth.
Hi, so I'm Dr. Caroline Day and I'm the course lead for both BA and BSc Geography here at the University of Portsmouth. So that means I oversee the curriculum and ensure that your experience while you're here is what you're hoping for, and that you get to engage with a really diverse number of different modules that you can learn from. The things we teach you as part of the course here are understanding geographies of development from a decolonised perspective. So what has our role been in the UK as an empire and as a colonial country? And then what that means for our relationships with the Global South today. So we look at things like the discourses of development, the political and economic relationships that we have with many countries in the Global South. We look at how trade, and there's a brilliant example here in Portsmouth where 70% of the UK's bananas come through the port here from places like the Caribbean. So international trade is a very important aspect of what we learn, and also its relationship with development aid. And of course we can't understand that without fully exploring and understanding the communities that affects. Our other modules include things like environment and society, so our relationship with water particularly. We look at the political and social economic issues around the use and the maintenance of water and who has access. Access to water gives you power. So what does that again mean for different countries where this is an issue? What we want to understand through what we do within geography is not just what that means for us as individuals, but how we interact with the rest of the world too. So our field trips are a really important part of that. We give you the opportunity to see different places and witness different countries. And in the past, we've gone to Malta and we've also gone to Berlin, where you get to understand historical processes that have taken place, the link with our military past, but also the culture and diversity that is happening there. I hope that gives you some sense of what you can study here at the University of Portsmouth if you take BA Geography. And hopefully we will see you here in this really exciting place when you take your degree next year.